Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some of the best IKEA smart home products and home essentials you can buy right now. From smart plugs to air purifiers to Sonos-powered speakers. This list has a little bit of everything. Let's break down my personal favorites, starting from number 16 all the way to number 1. Top 16. IKEA Smart Home and Home. Essentials DEJSA table lamp. Warm, cozy, and honestly, one of the nicest lamps IKEA has. It gives off that soft hotel room glow, perfect for bedrooms or reading corners. SKYDRAG LED light strip with motion sensor. A simple upgrade that adds a lot of convenience. Under cabinets, stairs, closets. It lights up only when you need it. Super useful and energy-friendly. VINDSTYRKA air quality sensor. This small box tells you exactly what's going on in your air. Humidity, temperature, and air quality levels. Perfect for people who want a healthier, smarter home environment. PARASOLL door and window sensor. Great for peace of mind. You can use it for security or smart automation. Lights turn on when a door opens, alerts when a window moves, etc. PILSKOTT LED pendant lamp. Modern, stylish, and surprisingly bright. This lamp turns any dining or living area into a more upscale space without spending a fortune. NYMÅNE LED Pendant lamp. Clean, minimal, Scandinavian design. If you want that simple, modern look, this lamp does it perfectly. BADRING water. Leak sensor. Every smart home needs this. Place it under sinks, near washing machines, basements. It warns you before water damage becomes expensive. KLEPPSTAD Bed Frame. Super budget-friendly, but shockingly sturdy. If you want a minimalist bed frame without paying premium prices, this is a great pick. VOLLERSLEV Rug. Soft, thick, and instantly makes your room feel cozier. One of IKEA's best rugs in terms of comfort versus price. KLEPPSTAD room. Darkening curtains. These work way better than you'd expect. Perfect for bedrooms or movie rooms. They block out a ton of light for a better sleeping experience. TreeTact Smart Plug. A cheap and easy way to turn any dumb device into a smart one. Connect lamps, fans, coffee machines. Control them all from your phone. Draud-free Smart LED bulb. IKEA's entry-level smart bulb. Reliable, bright, and integrates well with the rest of their smart home system. A great first step into smart lighting. SKYDRAG table. With built-in air purifier. This is such a unique idea. A table that is also an air purifier. Perfect for small spaces where you want clean air without extra clutter. SKYDRAG air purifier. Simple, minimal, and does the job. If you want clean air without paying Dyson prices, this is a great alternative. SYMFONISK picture frame speaker. Sonos. This is one of the coolest IKEA products ever. It's wall art, but also a Sonos speaker. Great sound, completely hidden. Perfect for minimalists. SYMFONISK bookshelf speaker. Sonos. One of the best value Sonos speakers out there. You can mount it, place it on shelves, even use it as a tiny side table. Sound is rich, clean, and easily fills the room. My pick for the best overall IKEA smart home product. Bonus. DEJSA Smart Home Hub. This is the brain of the entire IKEA smart system. If you want everything, bulbs, plugs, sensors, speakers, working together, this hub makes it seamless. And that wraps up my list of the best IKEA smart home and home essentials. Some of these items are budget-friendly. Some are super innovative, but all of them make your home smarter, cozier, or just more enjoyable to live in. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which product do you want to try first. See you in the next comparison.